Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a tour of our brand new home in Tennessee. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a really quick house tour. As you can see, I'm losing daylight and our stuff hasn't come yet, so we just have what we showed up with. And we had a bunch of people come in and out the house since we got here, so we have internet and some other stuff. We did get a water softener installed in our garage, so that was here. So we've been super busy, and I want to get this video filmed for you guys before even more things start happening tomorrow. So let's do this really quick. We have a cute little patio out front. So right off of the door is the dining room. We actually want to put doors here because this is going to be our office. I love that we have a nice big window in here, and all of the hardware and fixtures in our house are a really pretty muted down gold. This light is one of my favorite lights in the house. Closet here, and then we have some really pretty detail on the ceiling and on that wall back there. I'll give you guys a little view of what you see when you walk through the front door. You can see above to the second floor, and then this light here. In the pictures, when I saw this light, I thought it was metal, but it's actually like a really light colored wood. This light is really growing on me, so this will probably stay. Love how wide open all of this is. We're gonna walk through here. This is a really nice size powder room. Has really tall ceilings in here, which makes it feel even bigger. Little pedestal sink. They carried that same light fixture throughout all the bathrooms, which is really nice. We might change out our pedestal sink to something else with cabinets. Then right off of the powder room is the door to the garage. And then we have a coat closet here. Okay, so this is our living room. I love the color scheme in here. The floors are really pretty. We have a fireplace and a little accent wall. We didn't have a fireplace in Texas just because we didn't need one. One of the things that I really love about this house is all the accent lighting and all the outlets that we have. We have outlets everywhere. We have blue tape up for touch-ups and stuff. These two little spotlights here that shine on either the TV, if you put a TV up here, or like some artwork, but we have these two little spotlights. It's just a nice little touch. A ton of windows down here. All right, so here's our kitchen. We would like to make our island a little bit bigger. We'll see if that happens. We have some black and gold lighting up here and everything black and gold, which I think is really pretty. Love the black backsplash. I do want to see what black outlets would look like, so it'll blend in a little bit more. But I have a really pretty pot filler, and I have double ovens again, which I'm really happy about. All right, so right off the kitchen is this room right here. And this is supposed to be the pantry. So I'm gonna tell you guys all about our pantry and our plans that we have for our pantry. We're currently getting outlets put in. So we have two here and we have a couple down here on this side. But I'm gonna stand in the corners just so you can see how big this pantry is. So we definitely have plans already set in place for the pantry. We've done this like a couple of months ago, once we got all our measurements for this room. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking the shelving off of that back wall right there, and this entire wall right here will be all countertops and then countertops. And then all this will be all drawers, lower drawers and cabinets. We'll have a lot more countertop space. We'll have a little farmhouse sink here. We'll have a taller cabinet for food and things like that. That'll open up. Over here, like I said, this is all gonna be countertops and drawers or cabinets. And then we'll have some cabinets up above. And our fridge is actually gonna be going here. It's our secondary fridge that we usually keep in the garage, but that's gonna be going in here as well. So more countertop space and more space overall. I can put all of my appliances in here if I wanted to. You guys will definitely see that once it's all installed, but I do want to save as much of these shelves as we can. So we'll see about that. So you come out of the pantry and we have an eating kitchen area over here. We did sell our table in the old house, so we're looking for another one, possibly a round table, but we'll see. Our old table would have been too big for this space, so we had to get rid of it. And so right next to the pantry is the laundry room. And I do love the laundry room because it's so bright in here. I love the big window, and I also love the sink. The sink is the same granite countertops throughout the whole house. It has this really pretty golden black faucet, and I'm gonna miss having cabinets up here, but we'll see how it works out. I'm pretty sure I can do something with the shelf. They even put a little hook here. I don't know what that would be for, but there's a little hook. Our patio area is back there, but I'm probably gonna wait till tomorrow to show you guys. We have some more really cool accent lighting. So we have these built-in night lights that go all the way up the steps, and I really love that feature in this house. So as soon as you come to the top of the stairs, you see this gold light fixture and a window, and then you have this open space over here, which is a little nook with a window. So I have a few ideas of what I want to do with that space. I don't want it to go to waste, but I also don't want it to be cluttered and ugly because it is an open area. So I do have some ideas. All right, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover right here, but when you come to the top of the steps, you'll come to this room with double doors. This will be our secondary living room. So we'll have our sectional up here and our TV. There's a closet in here. We really love that room for movies. And then right outside that room, you have a linen closet. This is actually the smallest room in the house. This is gonna be our guest bedroom. We actually just ordered a queen bed because the room is pretty small. So we're gonna downsize to a queen, and here's their closet. So throughout the entire house, we have these recessed lights that you can literally pull out the ceiling, select the color or the brightness that you want, and kind of change the whole tone and mood of the house. You have to do it one by one, but I think it's a really cool touch. So as you can see, it's a thin plate and you just choose the brightness, then you just put it right back into the wall. Moving on to the kids' bathroom, we still have to change out the bulbs in here, so it's gonna come off a little yellow, but this is the kids' bathroom. Like I said earlier, the light fixtures are all the same. The setup of their bathroom is pretty similar to our last one, where the tub and toilet are separate from the vanity. So here's the boys' room. We have new bunk beds coming for them, so you guys will see that soon. And also their closet is going to be changed to a custom closet since they are sharing, and this closet is a little bit smaller than the last one, so we had to change that up, so stay tuned for that. And the master bedroom is really large. So I turned all the lights on except the ceiling fan because I think that has a remote, so we have to figure that out. But I love all the lighting options in here. So we have these 4 corner lights. So here, 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 and then up here. And then we have the fan, obviously, but then we have this light inside of the tray ceiling, which I think is so cute. And I like that we don't have any backyard neighbors. It's just trees. And then our bathroom, I love this bathroom. Same vanity and mirrors as the guest bathroom. And my favorite part about our bathroom is our tub, this huge window, and the shower. Double shower heads, this pretty tile, which makes it feel a little bit more custom. And then we also have it in the little cutouts. And this door is super heavy. And then just the little details like the gold towel hooks or towel hangers. And then this huge tub. Cannot wait to decorate in here. I'm thinking about putting an olive tree or some kind of tree in that corner. And then this is where the toilet is. And then our closet is actually gonna be redone in a couple of days as well, just like the boys' closet. We're getting a custom closet put in here. The closet is actually bigger than our last one. It has more hanging space. But take a good look because it's gonna be totally different if everything goes as planned. But our bathroom, Has a lot more space. It's a little bit more wide. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.